Right, this didn't sound the greatest. 51. But look what I see shining back at me. All right, I'm gonna try this little place. Oh, look at that.
There it is. Look at that.
Look at that, guys. Right, guys, I don't know what I have, but something weird looking. Maybe a ring? This is gonna be super tiny. That's a ring. That's gonna be a ring. Check it out, guys. That is itty bitty. This is a Native American looking. Probably got turquoise on the top there. That is pretty freaking awesome. Nice little ring there. Sweet. Right, bringing it back in because we got the first wheat of this hunt. If I can get it to focus. Come on. Camera's getting difficult. There we go. Maybe that'll work. And then we can zoom in. Got it. All right, there we go. I know it's a 1940 something, but I'm not for sure about what date. We'll keep hunting. There we go. Just pulled another Wheatie. 56 right there. Check out this little button. Or a little pin, I guess you'd say. Well, I don't know if it's a button. Got a little anchor on it. Like Navy. That'd be awesome. Case because in the dirt ball there we got a reeded edge quarter signal. Let's take a look together. Pop it out. Oh, holy Jesus! That is not a quarter. That is a walker. Oh! Oh my goodness! 1942. Wow! Freaking awesome! Now that is what I'm talking about. That is freaking amazing. I gotta tell you guys, it's always nice when you see stuff like that laying on the ground. That is a pretty beautiful blue stone. That's pretty awesome. I don't know if it's real or not, but we'll check it out. Check out what I just pulled up all together. Thomas Dewey. It's got some information on the back. I'll have to read it and figure out what it says, but that's pretty sweet. That's an awesome, nice little token there, or key fob, one of the two. Awesome. I think I just found me a very interesting little foreign coin. Has 2 on it. 1954. Not sure where from. Oh, I bet it's Germany. Or Russia. One of the two. That is pretty sweet though. Nice little foreign coin. Awesome. All right, we just pulled up another coin here. Take off my gloves. See what we got as far as the date. It's gonna be a 55. That's pretty awesome. Well, another sweet find. We got us a rabies tag, 1960 right there. That's pretty sweet. Nice. All right, get your guesses in. Wheat or not a wheat? Let's flip it over. Not a wheat, just a memorial. All right, I think we got us a little car here. See part of it anyway. Yep, sure do. Too bad it's not all there, but that's a nice old car there. Pretty awesome. Well, just got us another Wheatie pulled up. Not sure about the date. Can't quite get it cleaned off. Definitely a wheat though. And we'll keep hunting. Wheat or not wheat? Got a wheat. And that is sweet. Nice. All right, I'm seeing a couple of coins on the ground here. We got a nickel here. Not sure about the date, but I think we have a war nickel, guys. There's the P mint mark right there. There's silver on the board. That is awesome. Over here, saw a penny. Let's call it wheat or not a wheat. Not a wheat, but still, we got silver. Wheat or not a wheat? Let's see what we see down in there. That one's gonna be a wheat, I think. Indeed it is. That is awesome. Nice. Got another one on the ground. Let's see if wheat or not a wheat. I don't think that one is. I think that one's a memorial. Yep, memorial. Wheat or not wheat? That's gonna be a memorial. Right, this didn't sound the greatest. 51. But look what I see. Shining back at me. That feels heavy too. I am fired up right now because, guys, I know that is gold. Hot giggity dog! Let's ring it up funny, but it's definitely got a gold tone to it. And that is going to be a piece of aluminum, I think. Yeah, big piece of aluminum. Thought it was going to be a ring at first. I don't think that's going to be a ring. Yep. Time to play that game. Wheat or not wheat? We got a coin. It is a penny. Let's see what we got. And I think we got a wheat. We sure did. All right, let's see if we got a date. Come on, focus. 52. Awesome. Got another surface signal. Let's see if it's going to be wheat or not a wheat. Oh, not a wheat this time. Just a memorial. All right, just saw another one on the ground here. Let's see, wheat or not wheat. I think that one's going to be a memorial too. Yep, that's what it is. Guess what I just pulled up right there. I think we got us another Wheatie. Yep, another 56. Still very nice. Next tooth down. Just spotted another surface coin. Let's take a look. There's the coin. Wheat or not wheat? That is not gonna be wheat. That is a memorial. Looks like it was hit with a lawnmower at one point. All right, keep hunting. I spy with my little eye another coin. Wheat or not wheat? That one's gonna be wheaty. Oh, that side's pretty crusty though. I think we might be able to still get a date. 50 something, maybe 52. Still pretty awesome.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do a wrap-up video
for this week's metal detecting. Currently, I have 19 wheats on the board there from this week. So 19 of them. I think the oldest one was like a 39, as I recall. Yep, 39 there. I think that was the oldest one that I got this week. All the rest are 40s, 50s. Your normal everyday wheats. All right, so some of the cooler stuff we found. Check these out. Did get the dollar coin. We got an older nickel here. That one's a 54. Found this nice old token and I looked it up. Got some information you guys will see in the video there about it. Kind of really cool. And then also we've got a foreign coin here. We've got a 2 Österreich, which is Germany, from 1954 also. We have this little naval button there. It's pretty sweet looking. We ended up having a dog tag from 1960. USS Lexington, dug that up. And then we found a creepy eyeball, little doll eyeball. Found this really cool shell, so I just went ahead and picked it up, kept it. Just thought it was pretty neat. And for the better finds, I've got up here. So let's take a look. Found a little butterfly. Not sure what it's made out of, just a little charm butterfly there. But check this out, guys. That is a gold chain. I'm believing it's probably about 18K and weighs about 2.5 grams. So that's not too bad to get some gold. Found a little basketball here. And I thought it was going to be silver, but I just don't know. I don't see any markings on it other than what it says on there. Found a nice little silver ring with some really nice turquoise in it. But it is tiny. And we ended up with a war nickel. That one is a Philly. And a 45. Got a couple of Rosies, 64, 62. And one of my favorites, check that out. We got us another Walker, 1942. And that looks like that one's going to be a Philly. So some big silver on the board. And then I found this beautiful stone laying in the dirt, and it is a blue sapphire, and it has been cut already, and that was in a very old area, but very cool though. It's a very beautiful sapphire stone there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be getting out there and doing some more digging, especially since it's cooling off now. We'll have a blast doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you over at Miss Coin Crew next. See you later.